Morning po. Nandito ako sa daan. Pupunta po tayo sa church. Dahil po ay today is Three Kings sa Lebanon. Magpa-bless po tayo ng water. Epiphany. So, tuwing Epiphany Day, sinasabi nilang DM. So, DM ulit sa inyong lahat. Pagod ako. Ano, tubig. Ipa-bless natin. Yung mga bata, tulog pa sila. Si Mr. maaga po siya na pumasok sa work niya. So, ngayong pupunta po tayo sa church. Mag-isa lang ako. Dahil tulog pa po ang mga bata, hindi ko na sila ginising. Ako na lang. 1 hour lang naman yung mas, guys. Samahan nyo ako. Dito tayo sa maliit na church, guys. Hi guys, kararating ko lang sa galing ako sa church. So, natatnan ko mga bata.
I also washed while ago and I put the plate while ago.
Bravo! Ayan, drink this water. It's blessed water.
Can I
Give me the...
I'm thirsty.
Give me your cup.
Cup?
Yeah. Ano tayo?
Can I use this one or? No. Oh, I want
Anong niluto mo?
I do better than mommy. Look.
Tignan nyo guys. Ay, naku, marunong ng dalaga
And
ko.
also, I did the eggs the way you
How
do
you turn
it.
on the gas?
I open and turn on.
Because I turn off the gas.
I know.
Hala, mabuhay na ang dalawa. Very good, mama. Hindi na sila nagde-depend sa akin, sa food.
I was like, when I was cooking, what if she brings on ocean?
No, we'll not bring.
I don't bring.
Yan. Ito ay bless water. Drink, mama.
I'm watching again Battlefield.
Yan,
Battlefield.
napablisan natin itong tubig. Here is my cup.
No, this is too much. I don't like.
All over? It's okay. You will drink wala pa siya. Wala eat after you.
Okay, well, I want water.
And I'm watching.
I put too much eggs. I don't like.
So, yan. Kararating ko lang. Dumana din po ako sa, sa market. Para hindi na ako lalabas ngayon. Napay, nagurog na gaya. Maapay na eh. Nagurog na pala ito. Buhili ako ng tinapay, guys. This one is, yan. Galing ni siya yan, marunong na magluto. Very good, mama. Ako, nagulat ako, marunong na magluto. Hindi na ako hihintayin ba? Ay, ito ang mga bata. This one. Okay. Yan, bumili po ako ng strawberry. Dayem, mga kaibigan. Epiphany Day today sa Lebanon. At buong mundo naman, Epiphany.
Yan. Don't eat this, Yan.
Eat here, mama. With only there when that is here. Bumili ako ng islog. Thank you, Lord. So I will make the holy water in the house. It's okay. Tignan niyo, sige, siya yan guys. Oh, yung prepare niyang food. Luto niya po iyan. Ito, I bless water. Drink, mama. With only there when that is here. Wow. Bumili ako ng islog. With only there when that is here. This one is mine. It took, the, Bigyan niyo, sige, siya yan guys. Oh, yung prepare niyang food. Luto niya po iyan. Wait, I'll tell to Daddy I'm home.
I like patis. Wow.
Ayan na natin ito. Ay, nasira na. Yan. Diam. You need to... By mistake, sorry.
I don't know what I'm eating. I'm done.
Favorite?
No, that's for you.
Thank you. Okay. Kunin na natin ito. Kunin natin. Tapos itago natin ito. Ay, gini. Yung flour, yung dough. Wait, I will feed you first.
Oh, I have to eat that.
Yeah. Kian! Tama, ma. Kian! Come. Diyan. Kunin natin yung... Okay. Lagyan natin ito sa foil.
What do you do with it?
You put in the wallet. Behind.
What about the one last year? Where you put it?
Keep it for me.
Oh?
It's in Egypt. Yan. Yan. Kain na po. Kainin natin yung niluto ng dalaga ko. Breakfast na tayo. Mag-ano muna ako ng tubig ng pang coffee. Maasahan na talaga ang dalaga ko. Akala ko tulog pa sila. Hindi ko na kasi sila sinama sa church. Dahil nga maaga akong na napunta sa church. Bili pa naman ako ng tawag nito. Nagbili pa naman ako ng tinapay, yung pauli ba? Parang pandesal sa atin. Kain po tayo, guys. Ako'y nagutom. Kainin natin yung ano ni Cheyenne. Pagkain na niluto niya. Let's eat po. Thank you, Lord. Mukbang tayo dito ng breakfast. Yung ano ng bata niluto niya. Try ko nga kung ano nilagay niya. Marunong na siya talaga. Tignan nyo, oh. Perfect yung pagkaluto niya ng rice. Pati itlog. Masarap nga. Tanungin ko nga. Cheyenne! Tanungin natin kung paano niya niluto tong itlog. Masarap, guys.
Yeah.
No, Cheyenne, I want to ask something.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, not done here.
Lukuhin natin.
What?
Is that delicious?
Sure, it's not delicious.
What did you put to the egg?
What I put to the egg. So when I was mixing it in the bowl,
Mm.
I put salt
Mm.
and I put the spice, the yellow one.
You put too much?
No.
And then you put?
Shue.
But
And then I
then?
mix it.
Mm.
And then I put it in the pan, and then I put shue, black pepper. Shue.
Mm. You
And
put
I
butter
smashed-
or?
Yeah, I put butter. I melted and spread it out.
But then? You put too much, Haida, the spices?
No,
Mm.
shue only. Why?
No, one spoon
I did like this, heck, and then
I think it's too much.
no.
Mm.
Where is that? It's too much. It's still delicious. Eat.
Bravo, mama. No, I'm joking. It's delicious. Masarap.
Maybe if you put patties, it's not.
Yeah, I put patio. Nakita niya kasi ako.
Yeah, even my rice is nice.
No.
So delicious.
Pati yung rice, the basmati,
Yeah, I like this rice. It's
perfect the way you cook. Bravo, mama. I'm
Yeah,
proud
I
of you.
cleaned twice, yeah. I remove. Try I'm so tired. I woke up.
Anyway, what time you wake up?
Not 8, around 8.
Mm.
I woke up and then I went to the kitchen.
You're hungry, eh?
I couldn't cook while فيها يدولة يعني. I couldn't cook. It's a mess. I had to clean شوي.
Bravo.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I could have cooked noodles يعني.
I'm proud of you, my love. Marunong na siya. Maasahan na. Kasi nakikita niya yung pagluluto ko. Kaya alam niya. Nagulat ako, marunong na siya sa rice. Masarap kumain. Huwag nang mag-inarte sa pagkain, guys. Kain lang ng kain, basta may makain. Ipakita yung totoo. Hindi yung, maging perfect sa mata ng tao. Sarap. I'm proud sa girl ko. Good vibes lang tayo ngayong 2026. Jump. You like the food of Ate? Where's your water?
He said he wanted cornflakes, yeah. I'm cooking eggs and he said I want cornflakes.
Cornflakes, not always.
Where? True, not always perfect for eating eggs always.
Egg, it's good. Very healthy, the
I'm
egg.
searching on TikTok how to make breakfast. Because all the stuff I don't eat, yani, they put yogurt, but not yogurt. They put avocado, the square bread. I don't eat avocado. The one for breakfast they put, it's the stuff I don't eat. Try them. And then I see the oats, okay?
Avocado is good.
So I see if there's oats muffin. But then I see there's eggs. So I did eggs.
Okay.
That was the only thing I could do.
Yeah.
And the only thing I can eat.
Kapitbahay. So ngayon, tatanggalin na po natin ang ating Christmas tree. Paalam na po, Christmas tree sa susunod ulit. Ayan, so yan na. Yan lang ka. Tanggalin na natin each bag. Kailangan natin ng bag. Wait lang. So ilagay natin dito sa plastic. Wala po tayong guys, yung box dahil nga ay nasira na po siya. Matagal na kasi ito, 15 years na din. Itong namin, Christmas tree. Edad ito na siya yan. Kaya nasira na po ang kanyang box. Come na anak, remove the head, mama.
I was playing with the dogs.
Yeah, let I will bring one more plastic. Put in the plastic. All the head. lahat dito para all the box and the boat, all the mugara, everything, and Daddy will fix tomorrow in the
Fake
he will put up tomorrow.
the light.
Yeah, the light also. Oh, yeah.
There's one behind as well next to the wall.
Yes, my love.
The Christmas light, but stuck. You have to remove the paper. Not this one, it's like down there.
Okay, hala, we will remove. Yeah, remove the mugara. Put here.
Should I like
Yeah, put here.
throw in garbage?
Throw now. Yalla, give in a high. Dali pa step. Sure. Okay. This one, konti lang naman ang decoration namin. We need to take out also the one in the door. Ito, Merry Christmas. And then, yung light. Try to remove the disgusting, the paper.
I have no nails. How can I do this?
Thank you, 2025.
Shouldn't I rip the paper?
No, don't trip. We will use next year. Inshallah, Mama. This only disgusting, if you can. But anyway, to rip it, we will buy another one.
Where do I put these?
Put in the ground, hala, and you will clean. I will clean the ground. Oh, Christmas. Put water dito. Okay, lift up your legs, mommy.
Okay.
Because I will water. I will wipe.
I lift up.
That's an interesting noise there. I don't think it's anything broken. I think it's the aftermarket air intake rattling on something. Probably needs to fix. Hopefully. And we're off. It does feel really sturdy though.
guys, katatapos lang namin kumain. Ngayon lang ulit ituloy ang ating paglilinis dahil nga ay nagutom ang mga bata. So, nakamap na ako. Iwalis ko na lang. Tanggalin natin yung dust. May natitira kasi siyang, alam nyo, mga mark ng pagmap ko. Hindi malinisan na mabuti. So, ito, winawalis ko siya. At the same time, kanina, inayos na namin dito. At ito na po. Ito, ayan, pininturahan ko na siya. Green dot ito, yellow green. Can you remove this one, Mama, the tissue?
Her name is Violeta.
Yes. Tinawag ni siya yan na Violeta, ang ating Phalaenopsis orchid. Remove that one, Mama. Thank you. Thank you. So, ayan na po siya.
Radiant.
Yeah, I paint already.
Mommy,
It was yes. It was yellow green. So, pininturahan ko siya ng silver ba yun or gray. Ito na po ang ating Violeta. Violeta ang pinangalanan ng mga bata ay. Okay, so tapos yung base natin nilagay natin dito.
What's this one's name?
This one? Zebra.
This one.
This one is Sunday.
Where's Saturday?
This one, the big one. Lahat ng pangalan, may pangalan kasi lahat ng dito ko nilagay ang ating isang snake plant na nakalagay doon. So, yan. Pansamantala lang siguro kasi ang ilalagay ko dito ay mataas siya na ewan ko kung yung Dracena ba na halaman. So, yan. Pansamantala lang yan. So, ganyan na siya. So, ituloy na natin ang paglilinis ba para matapos na tayo magagawin yung mga bata. Nag-aaral sila kasi pasukan na po tomorrow dito sa Lebanon. Today pala is Epiphany and the same time magwawalis po tayo dito. Nilipat na po natin ito. May music. Hello guys, tignan niyo kung anong ginagawa ni Mami Laura dito. Ayan, tawag nito, tinatanim ko na po ang ating, ayan, paladendron ba yan? Ay, hindi, monstera. Monstera daw po yan. Nilagay ko siya sa baldi. Ito, kinuha ko ito sa mga, doon, sa may garden ko. Ayan, mga ano natin doon. Organic, ayun tawag ito, compost. May area roots siya, oh. Oh, bakit? Yan lang. Okay. Ay, nako, hailstorm, guys! Nag-hailstorm po dito sa Lebanon, sa lugar namin. Sobrang lamig po. Ayan, umuulan. Winter na talaga, ano? Hailstorm. Ayan.